So now, what seems like ages ago, I once made a video on my alarm for my scooter. But one of the big downfalls for this alarm was that it was hardwired to the battery. It wasn't completely wireless like I wanted. A lot of people didn't have this plug-in or couldn't find this plug-in on their scooter to plug their alarm system in. But since that time, they have made an actual wireless alarm system for scooters, motorcycles, and even bicycles. And folks, these alarm systems are a lot alike in a lot of ways, even down to the cheapo remotes that it has. But like everything, you will find pros and cons for each. For the hardwire alarm, that's one of the cons, that it has to be hardwired to the bike. So to install it on a motorcycle will be a lot harder than what I had to do on my scooter. Another one of the cons would be it runs off your battery system. And some people have complained if you don't turn it off that it will drain your battery completely. Now, one of the pros for it over the wireless is it generates 125 decibels of sound, and the wireless only 113 decibels of sound. And the last pro would be that the hardwired alarm does have an electric start that starts up your bike. Now, one of the things I like about the wireless one is that it can be moved from bike to bike. Also, it can be put on any type of bike, a bicycle or my motorcycle or my scooter. So now I'm going to arm the bike with the old alarm. And now I'm going to disarm the bike with the old alarm. So this is arming the bike with the new alarm. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Disarming the bike with the new alarm. Alright, just from the arming you can tell a little bit difference. So now I'm going to have the alarm go off with the old alarm. Again, that's the old alarm. And now with the new alarm, I'm going to arm it. And disarm. Alright, so I'm going to say right off the bat that the new alarm is not as loud as the old alarm. All in all, I would say it's a good alarm. I wish it was a little bit louder, but the fact that it's wireless and it can be moved from bike to bike, I think makes up for that. I did want to mention that there are batteries in here that will have to be replaced over time. So they give you a little screwdriver so you can open up the case to replace the batteries.
Zusätzlich zum Ringschluss und der Kette eine Alarmanlage. Gibt es für grob 20 € bei Amazon mit Fernbedienung. Jetzt ist sie scharf. Gehe ich jetzt ans Fahrrad. Gibt es einen kurzer Alarm. Will ich jetzt länger machen, kann ich es mit Fernbedienung wieder ausschalten.
So, da habe ich sie angebracht. Jetzt stelle ich sie scharf. Nach 5 Sekunden. So, Achtung. Okay. So, ich denke mal laut genug, oder?
E niente, quindi questo è il telecomando. Allora, se faccio così, e devo aspettare. Ok, allora, se passo così, ó, e se di nuovo